Brick Reply is an innovative cloud-based platform which allows the control of the entire production process of a modern manufacturing factory, thus minimizing initial investments. Thanks to the intuitive pages and tools which guide the user during the experience, Brick Reply clearly conveys its main capabilities. It is possible to make it work in just a few steps. 1. Brick Reply has to know where the production will be done. Brick allows for a detailed definition of the production layout, integrating machinery and defining workstations. 2. Brick Reply has to know what will be produced. Brick manages product bills of materials, together with the ability to coordinate the supply tree and the related genealogies, based on different levels of complexity. 3. Brick Reply has to know how the production will be done. Brick Reply enables you to configure production workflows and work processes. Finally, mapping this information together, declaring relations between them, Brick Reply is ready to be used by operators in line. Brick Reply makes it possible to easily configure and control the entire production process, defining factory operations, rules and workflows. The integration with the plant ensures efficient production and quality. Brick Reply, the platform for Industry 4.0 manufacturing operations.